Master, keep this for a record. Ito yung ma-receive natin pledge from Nitrogeeks. Arterized Tokayo, slow tube 3 na 340 ang weight. Meron din 3 pieces ng Nitrogeeks na offshore sprinter, 100 grams each. Meron tayong isang Yugulo White, si Tenkiba, isa. Meron din tayong Asisu tatlo from Nitrogeeks, syempre. 3 cups, especially made from Nitrogeeks. Meron tayong Arterized, syempre na snap ring type. Then meron tayong Eastern Hunter 80 liter line. Ayan, 10 pounds, 50 meters each. Meron tayong Rockmaster, syempre na line. E-line X4 0.8, 300 meters. Meron ding binigay na 2 jersey from Nitrogeeks, syempre. Ito siya, dalawang type. And meron isang shirt made by Arterized. So I think it's a long sleeve. Ganda siya. Then syempre meron din binigay na sling bag. And the last but not the least, syempre pinaka pang-hype natin is yung Hurricane Street 684 RJTR Ryoko Traveler's Rod. Ito siya. Ooh, sweet. Ryoko Hurricane, custom made rod from Thailand, and it's of course made in Korea. Ooh, kagwapo. Yan mo yun. So 4 section siya. Ryoko. Kung na kayo magtanong sa body specs, alamin nyo na lang sa kung sino man ang palaring sa So that's all, guys. Yan, pakinote na lang to, ha. Yun siya. Tatlong piraso yan. Sling bag, 1 shirt, 2 jersey, Rockmaster line.